Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Sorkar ubak polling do ulakren halor ke jingyat bentungkam nakabenta ke Kyrdan Chairperson hapo ke Meghalaya State Women Commission. Habakren bekilat pathai kubor ubak pol uloong. Paan la ban pendap iki kambaro shaban kod uni ubenai ke lalingkon. Watla kila don saw san ngot ki kerteng ke belah tap ya ketika kam Chairperson ke Sorkar kalarai ban Plie Biang ke Jingpynbna Paidbah ban ailat iki begi banget bagi long ki babet tam la kamenta ketika kam bakin tap klem dale shiliang yenu.
By end of January, the entire process will be closed. Now we have opened the doors to even individuals who have not been named by the search committee, so that nobody would feel that they have been denied of an opportunity to apply.
Why is the government extending an advertisement despite having 4 or 5 names?
Because we feel that, in fact, it was made. We were made aware by certain individuals that they also, in fact, they consider themselves to be, quite fit to hold the post, but they were not named by the search committee. So we thought, in all fairness, let's open the door for everybody, and then the government will take a call based on recommendations of the search committee as well as individual applications.
And in that case, how many names we are looking for?
No, we have set a deadline. I think it was somewhere 20th of January or so, as and when we sit for a review by the first week of February, we should be in a position to then select the chairperson.